C++ namespaces. So it is a very interesting topic and it is very important. Consider a situation when we have two persons with the same name, say Jara. So let us suppose we are reading in the same class and we are having two persons, two of my friends are having the same name, say Jara. In that case, it is very difficult to identify them or distinguish them by the calling their names only. In that case, I should add some other information, that is, they might be coming from two different places. So I can add the place name with the name so that we can call them individually, distinctly and uniquely. So the same thing may happen in our C++ coding also. Some situations may arise in your C++ application. For example, you might be writing some code that has a function XYZ, and there is another library available which is also having the same function with the same name and prototype. So now the compiler has no way of knowing which version of XYZ function you are referring within your code. In those cases, the concept of namespace will be highly utilized. A namespace is designed to overcome this difficulty and used as additional information to differentiate similar functions, classes, variables, etc. With the same name available in different libraries, using namespace, you can define the context in which names are defined. In essence, a namespace defines a scope also. So we can have multiple namespaces in the same C++ program. Different namespaces may have the same or different classes, same or different variables and so on. So depending upon the namespace, we can access the respective class, respective object and as when required. So that's why namespace will be playing a very vital role in our C++ coding. In the next videos, we will be dealing with the namespaces. So those videos will be in the continuation of this topic. Please watch all of them and thanks for watching this.